Hey, good morning, Fox 43. So we're at a campground and we're getting ready to go to another one. And it's been a while since I drained my hot water tank and my regular water storage tank. So we're doing that this morning because I know where I'm going. I'll be able to get more water. And let's go ahead and flush some of that old water out that we haven't used in a while. It's also good to sanitize your system. There's several videos on how to do that. But I'm just doing a quick and easy this morning, just cycling it through. So open up my valves to my drain system, and 1, 2, 3 in here, and letting all that water drain out. And I'll keep it open while I drive so it can slosh a little bit and get it completely dry.
And this is just fresh water.
This is just fresh water, nothing bad here. This is our hot water heater. I've already loosened the nut with my tool that I actually keep and store inside here. I just use a regular Phillips wrench for the tool, and then I keep the wrench stored in there. I've already loosened it, so it's not normally that loose. And it just runs out. It looks bad because it's running all over your rig, but that's just how it drains. And if you're going to store your rig for, say, more than a couple of weeks, it's good to go ahead and do that anyway. Run that water out of your hot water tank because it will smell like rotten eggs if you don't. It tastes bad. And then this is a diode that's designed to catch this oxidation and designed to deteriorate like it is, but it's still in good shape. I'll retape it with water sealant tape when I put it back in. But this is just routine maintenance you should do. We use our rig daily, so I don't do it as often because I cycle that water through it. But don't forget your hot water tank if you've got one. This is something you should do all the time on it. One safety note, be sure the hot water has been turned off for a while and the valve inside the hot water, on the hot water side, has been open and your pump is off. Otherwise, you're going to get an extreme amount of back pressure on this, and if it's already hot water, it can scald you. Hope that helps, and have a good day.